In a world full of commercial laundry products, vinegar shines as a natural and effective alternative. This pantry staple offers a ton of benefits for your clothes and washing machine. It's a safe and budget-friendly way to get fresher, softer, and brighter laundry. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and embrace the simplicity of vinegar. The magic of vinegar lies in its acidic nature. It neutralizes odors, breaks down mineral deposits, and softens fabrics. Unlike commercial fabric softeners that coat your clothes with chemicals, vinegar removes buildup. This lets water and detergent penetrate deeper into the fibers, giving you a more thorough clean. Switching to vinegar in your laundry routine is great for your clothes, your health, and the environment. Commercial laundry products often have harsh chemicals and fragrances that can irritate sensitive skin or trigger allergies. Vinegar, on the other hand, is hypoallergenic and biodegradable, making it a safer choice for you and the planet. Vinegar's versatility shines in the laundry room. It tackles various laundry needs with ease. To banish musty odors and mildew from your clothes, simply add 1 cup of white vinegar during the rinse cycle. Your clothes will emerge smelling fresh and clean. For naturally softer towels, sheets, and clothes, add half a cup of white vinegar to the fabric softener dispenser. Vinegar works wonders in softening fabrics without leaving behind any residue. Stubborn stains, especially those from deodorant or sweat, can be pre-treated with a vinegar water solution. Soak the garment in the solution for 30 minutes before tossing it in the wash. Vinegar also works its magic on your washing machine. Over time, detergent residue and mineral deposits can build up in your machine, affecting its performance and leaving behind unpleasant odors. To combat this, run an empty cycle with hot water and 2 cups of white vinegar. This will effectively remove buildup, deodorize the machine, and keep it running smoothly. While vinegar is generally safe for laundry, some precautions are necessary. Avoid using vinegar on delicate fabrics such as silk or lace. The acid in vinegar can weaken these delicate fibers over time, leading to damage. Never mix vinegar with chlorine bleach. Combining these two creates harmful chlorine gas, which can be dangerous if inhaled. If you need to use bleach, do so separately and rinse the clothes thoroughly before using vinegar. Exercise caution when using vinegar on fabrics with special finishes or treatments. Vinegar's acidity may affect the properties of these finishes. Always check the garment's care label for specific washing instructions. When in doubt, it's best to err on the side of caution and avoid using vinegar. While vinegar is a highly effective and versatile laundry aid, some alternatives offer similar benefits. Baking soda is an excellent odor neutralizer and can be added to the wash cycle along with your regular detergent. It helps to soften water and boost the cleaning power of the detergent. Commercial laundry boosters designed for odor removal or fabric softening can also be considered. However, when choosing commercial alternatives, opt for products free of harsh chemicals, dyes, and fragrances, especially for sensitive skin. Look for plant-based and biodegradable options that are gentler on your clothes and the environment. Ultimately, the best alternative to vinegar depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors like cost, effectiveness, environmental impact, and any sensitivities you may have when making your choice. Experiment with different options to find what works best for you and your laundry. Frequently asked questions about vinegar in laundry. Can I use vinegar with my regular laundry detergent? Yes, they can be used together safely. Detergent cleans while vinegar softens fabrics and removes odors. Add detergent as usual and vinegar during the rinse cycle. Is vinegar or baking soda better for laundry? Vinegar is more versatile. Its liquid form makes it easy to use in both the washer and for pre-treating stains. Vinegar is a simple yet powerful tool for achieving laundry perfection. Its ability to remove odors, soften fabrics, brighten whites, and clean your washing machine makes it an invaluable addition to any laundry routine. By incorporating vinegar into your laundry regimen, you can enjoy fresher, cleaner, and brighter clothes, while also saving money and reducing your environmental impact. Remember to always use white vinegar, dilute it properly, and avoid using it on delicate fabrics or mixing it with bleach. With these simple tips, you can unlock the full potential of vinegar and transform your laundry experience. Embrace the power of this natural wonder and enjoy the satisfaction of fresh, clean, and naturally vibrant clothes.